Now, here's your first alert weather forecast with meteorologist Jason Livia.
Overall, Saturday was a little bit of a disappointment for those who might have been thunderstorm fans, apart from the one line that we got this morning. But we are in for a little bit more heading into tonight and tomorrow. If we look at the radar right now, there's not a lot of rain around the area at the moment. Most of that is still situated a little bit over to the west. Now, some models are saying that we are going to start seeing some more rain move in our direction over the next few hours. The graph model has rain starting right around 3 o'clock, pausing for a little bit, and then we'll see some heavier rain come in the morning hours of Sunday, then moving out by the time we get to Sunday night into Monday, leading for a much calmer week. Our ARRR model, a little bit of a higher resolution model, has more of a heavier downpours coming in the morning hours of Sunday. I'm actually going to step off for a moment because I forgot to change the timing. I'm going to scroll this back to show what I was actually talking about for a moment. Right to about 7:30 in the morning. A little bit of thunderstorms coming in right around 10 o'clock. That's when this model is expecting some heavier downpours to come through. But for the moment, we are not changing much on our first alert weather days. Those are still going to be the same. Gusty winds of up to 45 miles an hour on Saturday. Sunday, still gusty winds and some severe storms are still possible. In terms of the parameters of our risk, highest is still at damaging wind with possible seeing those gusts of up to 45 miles an hour. Large hail is very unlikely at this point, but small hail under 1 inch in diameter is still possible from if we get some of those really strong thunderstorms that the ARRR model has. Flooding also unlikely, same thing with the tornadoes, but the chance is not zero. But heading into tonight, it's still relatively warm, 66 degrees at the moment with winds from the south-southeast at about 9 miles an hour. It's a little calm at the moment, but we've been seeing both of our sky cams shaking throughout the day today. Temperatures around the region still in the low to mid 60s throughout the entirety of the region. Heading into the rest of the night, temperatures will barely budge at all. Getting into the low 60s overnight tonight. Showers will start picking up a little bit more around 3 a.m. and last throughout the morning. Tonight's low right around 62 degrees. We're still going to have some pretty substantial winds throughout the night, with sustained winds in those mid to upper teens throughout the next 24 hours and gusts getting up into those 30s. Highest gusts could reach into the 40s to about 45 miles an hour. Then we'll start seeing those calm down tomorrow night. Tomorrow's high right around 68 degrees with those AM showers and thunderstorms. But after Sunday, it'll be a little bit calmer for the rest of the week. It'll cool down quite a bit Sunday night into Monday, and then we'll rebound heading back into the rest of the week. That'll do it for weather. Back to you.